Hello, we are the Undecided Code and we are about to discuss the Arduino activity. And here are the member of Undecided Code. Jovan Sarmiento, Giovanni Dayo, Roland Ansau, Joseph Ken Pederizo.
Presented to Dr. Earl Marquez Elvina.
Here are the components of AP15 infrared controlled LED matrix. 13 times of jumper cables resistor 220R times 8 and 8 segment LED 1 and IR remote control times 1.
Here's the source code of Arduino Project 15. This section sets up all the variables and pins. It includes the iRemote library, assigns digital pin 10 to the IR receiver, and creates an array to manage the 8 LED pins. It also defines a 2D array with binary patterns that represent the number 0 through 9, which the LED will display. The void setup. This function runs once to prepare the Arduino. It starts serial communication for debugging and enables the IR receiver to listen for signals. A for loop, then configures all 8 LED pins as outputs and ensures they all are off at the start. Void loop. This function runs continuously waiting for a signal. When an IR signal is received, it checks if the code matches one of the numbers on the remote. If it does, it calls a function to light up the corresponding LED. Based on the binary pattern defined in the numbers array, after processing, it resets the receiver to get ready for the next signal.